Well, afternoon. I'm Brad Scramstead, I-5 Toyota sales consultant. Going to go over a few features on this 2021 Camry. Okay, the cruise control system is a dynamic cruise control radar detection cruise control. To turn it on, it's pretty simple. You just kind of hit the little button there that turns it on. It tells you up here when the cruise control is ready. And you can set it by just hitting the set button like so. You have to be doing 35 miles an hour or better for the dynamic cruise control to work for you. The vehicle will speed up, slow down based on the vehicle in front of you. If the vehicle in front of you decides to stop and you're not paying attention, the vehicle will actually try to stop. You can cancel it by hitting the cancel, or you can just hit the brake and it'll turn it off. You can speed up, you can slow down, and very simple operation. Well, thank you for taking the time to review some of the features on this vehicle. I'll be happy to help you if you decide that you want to come in. I'll be happy to answer any questions for you. I-5 Toyota, exit 79 in Chehalis.